National Human Rights Commission has warned Mau Mau veterans not to register with Tandem Law, a British law firm that is purporting to be spearheading negotiations for the veterans' compensation from the British government. The Mau Mau War Veterans Association sued the British government for torture and injustices meted out on freedom fighters during the struggle for independence.
No
amount of money will repair the damage metal shackles have done to 81-year-old Njau Githinji's legs, or erase the traumatic memories of the struggle for independence more than 50 years ago.
Wakati wanapopewa chakula, mzungu anaingia huko. Alikuwa anaitwa Mafila. Kazi yake ilikuwa ni kupiga tu. Chakula yote na mwago mnachapwa saa moja. Akisema ni saa moja, hata wakipa watu 10 hata 20 mpaka saa ishe.
His friend and neighbor, 78-year-old Grace Nyambura, was also detained in the 1950s for aiding Mau Mau fighters.
Kwa tunalalia mkeka hapa chini, ile ya kushunwa na nini na ile manyasi. Haya, tulikuwa na kitu ingine, do ikatopolewa hapa chini, ikawekwa kwa pale kwa kona. Tukaambiwa mtu akishikwa na choo hapo. Kuna wakati moja nilikuwa mkeka yangu ilikuwa hapa karibu na mlango. Sasa nikaona sasa hii doo inajaa. Sasa hii ni tabu gani? Nikasema sasa nitatoka nje. Nikafungua mlango. Wewe Mungu iko. Wakati huo ningeakufa haki.
These are just two of the hundreds of Mau Mau veterans alive today, part of the Mau Mau War Veteran Association. And though it has been half a century since their ordeal, these veterans may finally see justice after the British government agreed to an out-of-court settlement.
Because it does illustrate that even very painful injustices can be resolved through a process that respects the rule of law and also respects human rights.
The three Mau Mau veterans who have spearheaded the case are Wambugu Wanyingi, Jane Mathoni and Paulo Nzili. But now that there is certainty that the British government will compensate the veterans for injustices inflicted during the colonial period, there are those who want to reap where they did not sow.
The court case in London, which has been ongoing since 2009, and the settlement negotiations have nothing to do with Tandem Law, Griffin Legal or any other law firm or other organization apart from the KHRC, the Mau Mau War Veterans Association and Lead.
Tandem Law is a British law firm based in London, and since the case began, those involved in the Mau Mau case said that they have never offered any sort of assistance. But now it seems that they want to register the Mau Mau War veterans in preparation for the compensation. The Mau Mau Association has a membership of more than 2,000 veterans scattered across the country, a number of who are vulnerable to manipulation by those who are seeking to benefit from their long struggle for justice. The Kenya Human Rights Commission and others involved in the case say they will not let this happen. Catherine Omwando, KTN.
Now to an update.